Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to use Apple Translate application. Same Google Translation application is available in market like Android and iOS devices. So same this year, Apple introduced your own translation application, and that application is amazing because nowadays I'm living in Italy, so I'm facing lots of problem for the communication of the people. So I just type the in English. So this English translates as it is an Italian language, and I communicate some supermarkets, some shops or rest of activities. So this application is very helpful for me, so that's why I create this video and show you how to use this Apple translation application. And this accuracy is fabulous. You can recognize your voice and automatically type those text. Speech to text comes there and text to speech also. So how to deal with this application using your mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. So let's start as a mobile screen. So this is my mobile screen, and now I'm using the Apple Translation app, and this is Apple Translation app. So I open the translation app and just type here, hello, I want to need PRIN printer. So how to translate this word in Italian language? So comes here directly in Italian language, and you play this language like this way.
Ciao, voglio avere bisogno di stampante.
Like that point of view, you can translate as a speech voice.
Ciao, voglio avere bisogno di stampante.
And just you can speak here, I need some printout, that's why I need printer. Where is exactly printer shop?
Voglio un po' di stampate. È per questo che mi serve una stampante. Dove è esattamente la tipografia?
Like this. How long for here Central Train Station?
Quanto tempo manca fino alla stazione ferroviaria centrale?
Tell me about where is the immigration office.
Dimmi dov'è l'ufficio immigrazione.
So that one is an amazing application. And one more thing, where is Amazon office? You have any idea?
Dov'è l'ufficio Amazon che hai idea?
So that one is amazing because of nowadays I'm using this application and happily communicate with Italian guys. And same more thing, number of different languages also here, like in UK English also available, United States English also available. Two Englishes are available, and still our Apple are working there. And the another perspective, German language is there, Arabian, Chinese, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian and Spanish languages are available here. Not so many languages like Hindi, such kind of languages are not available here. And one more example, you can download those language. You can use this application as an offline point of view. So that's why I'm downloading this language like a French, German, Italian and Spanish. So in future, suppose for example, sometimes I went in Germany, so I need some German languages, German communication on their particular area or region. So that's why in traveling purpose, French and Spanish, I just only download and learn some basic things. So that one is an amazing application for the nowadays, as my opinion. And because of speech recognition rate is very high, like this speech recognition high,
Riconoscimento vocale.
so that's why you can use this application and enjoy as a communication perspective in several European language and some Asian languages also available. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.